How can I start a real estate business? Simply Coase says, a can-do attitude and determination to start with is all. The real estate industry is full of people that do a bad job, so it makes entry into the market easier. Black Small Square Network with local community members and property developers. Black Small Square know your territory. Black Small Square invest in a good website, SEO, photography, floor plan software, and sign up to a listing company like rightmove.co.uk if you have one in your area. Black Small Square make a solicitor and financial advisor your top priority. You need good professional people around you that can help your vendors and customers with sound advice but are also there to keep your deals in bed after you have negotiated them successfully. A good independent conveyancing solicitor and finance advisor can also bring you more business and vice versa. They can also be fun to go for drinks or golf with in downtime law. Black Small Square focus on bringing new properties to market at realistic price and be prepared to back up your pricing strategy. Do not let an owner dictate prices. Black Small Square, if you have never experienced the real estate business before, go and get a job for at least a year. 3 years min experience is ideal before setting up on your own, working in an existing company. The experience will save you big money. I spent 20 years in real estate in London and ended up working in the very high-end and specialized sector of the property sales and have seen it all. Best job in the world if you love sales, networking and property. Good luck. Bull State says, to start a real estate business one should possess some knowledge regarding the sector and have some experience under pre-established firms. The steps that need to complete are listed below for establishing your real estate business. Research and evaluation. One should research the business tactics and inputs to be done in this sector. Marketing. One should do good marketing of their real estate business to expand the reach and make themselves visible in the market. Registrations. Business firm and RERA registrations should be done in order to obtain the license that is very important to start in a while. Team management. Gather a smart and brilliant team to manage various roles like hiring professionals in field marketing, sales, and accounts. Online website. It is necessary to have an online presence to expand your reach to a maximum number of customers. Margie Hawkins says, the first thing you need to realize is that there is no such thing as a generic real estate business. The field of real estate covers many different types of businesses, so you should start by reading up on the industry to figure out what part of the process interests you. Whether you decide to be a developer, a contractor, a brokerage, an investor, a land speculator, a house flipper, an architect, a decorator, a mortgage banker, an urban planner, or any of the other wide variety specialties under real estate, each has a unique entry and development path. Thanks for watching our video on How Can I Start a Real Estate Business?